Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you save hours of editing using this 7 CapCut features. Of course, we all know that CapCut is a popular choice for video editing for several reasons, such as user-friendly interface, free and accessible, wide range of features, a mobile optimization, supports high-quality exports and regular updates, and trendy effects. So for the 7 amazing features that you can use here in CapCut to make your edit more faster, then I'm going to show you the first feature right here. This is what we call overlay. And at the same time, we're going to use AutoCAD out to remove the background of the second video here. So let's focus on the person or the object. So what you're going to do to remove the background here is tap the video, go to cat out, scroll down and look for AutoCAD out here. Then it will just identify the human or object. It will remove the background of the video or even picture. So this is the result and what we're going to do in order for us to put it on the top of this first video right here, or let's just say overlay. We're going to tap the video and move it up right here. And we're going to adjust the size of the video to make it look like the person is walking in this area right here, like in the mountain area. So you just have to adjust. And in order for you to copy and duplicate this to make it longer or same length with the video below, you just have to copy, paste, or control C, or right click copy, control V, or paste. And this is what it looks like. So basically, this is the first amazing feature in CapCut for overlay and removing background. Now, the second feature that I'm going to show you in CapCut is the auto caption. So you just have to drag the video right here and then tap the video. Now go to text and then you should see here the auto caption. So if you tap this, you will have the option if you want to translate this to other language or languages, but you must upgrade your plan into Pro in order for you to unlock this feature. But for this time, I'm just using the basic version, so I can just only use this English language right here. Now tap create, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing, then you will see the captions above the video and feel free to edit this. For example, if you think that the caption is not visible, then all you have to do is to simply drag the caption anywhere to make it visible. Also change the font style, the font text if you want, change the color, and it will change everything here. So that's it to make the caption, or let's just say subtitle, visible. And this is what it looks like. No need to go to other website or look for other tools to do this. Everything is here in CapCut. So as you can see, I'm currently editing the captions right here to make it visible. And you can delete and change if you want to. For example, if you want to change the text here or caption. And also, apart from that, this feature has also this text to speech where you can look for that specific voiceover that you can use. For example, if you're female but you want to use a male voiceover, then you just have to simply tap the caption and then go to text to speech. Okay, so for example, tap this one, go to text, go to auto captions, and then you have to tap the caption right here, go to text to speech, and then look for that voice that you're looking for. As easy as that. Now, the third feature here in CapCut is the voice isolation. So if you want to remove the vocal of the video or keep the vocal of the video while adding a background music, well, you can just simply go to audio, and then, as you can see here, you need to upgrade your plan to Pro in order for you to use some of the features here. But don't worry, you can still use this noise reduction to remove a bit of the noises or background noises. But as you can see, this vocal isolation, there are two options. You can keep the vocal or remove vocal. For example, I'm going to add a background music right here, and I want to remove the background music of the video, but I want to keep the vocal. Then all I have to do is click the video and then go to audio, go to voice isolation, and then I need to keep the vocal. So it will remove the background music of the video, but it will, keep the vocal. For example, if the person is talking here in the video, it will not remove the person's voice or the talking person, as easy as that. But if you want to remove the vocal, then you can also do that by tapping remove vocal. So as you can see, no need to go to other website or other tools when it comes to removing voices. You can just do it inside the CapCut tool or CapCut editing tool. So that is for the voice isolation. The fourth amazing feature here in CapCut that I want you to know is this what we call blur effect. So let's just say you want to make the background or the other part of this video blur and you want to remain the object visible, then all you have to do is tap the video, go to effects, and then look for blur. And then you just have to drag that blur effect to the video. This is what it looks like. And then what you're going to do next is export the video. Once done, go back to CapCut and then add the original video below and the blur video at the top. Then go to video, go to mask. And then if you want to make the object in blur or invisible, you just have to go to mask and then tap any shape right here. And then you just have to highlight or put it in the object that you want to make blur. Now, if you want the other way around, like you want the object here clearer and visible while the background is not, or make it blur, then you just have to simply place the video with the blur effect up and then go to video, go to mask, look for that shape and then place it to the object. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And as you can see, I have added the blur effect in this video. Fifth is this what we call the green screen effect. So you just have to simply drag the video with the green screen. And if you want to remove the green screen, just stop the video, go to cutout, tap Chrome key, tap this pencil icon, and then increase the strength. So this is what it looks like. You will only see the object or the cat here. It removed the green screen. Now, if you want to add a background to this, then import the background and then drag it below the video or this cat video right here. So for example, this one. Now, if the video has different ratio, then you can tap the video, go to this ratio icon right here, and then tap 16:9. Everything is up to you. So this is what it looks like. And you just have to simply trim the video and then adjust the video with the green screen that has been removed. And this is what it looks like. Okay, you can also do this with not a green screen video. You just have to go to video and then AutoCAD out, and this is the result. So this is how amazing the CapCut editing tool is. You don't need to go to other websites and other editing tools. If you want to remove, add, or split video right here, change their aspect ratio, you just can do it inside the CapCut tool. Now, the sixth feature is this what we call combine two videos. So you can add and combine a lot of videos inside one frame here in CapCut. You just have to import and add videos right here. You can trim and then you can go to video and go to mask, change the shape or crop the video. Everything is up to you. And then you can add another video on the top of it or beside, something like that. And as a bonus, there is this blend effect right here to make the two videos more stunning, or sometimes it looks like they are not a combined video, like two people in the same video, something like that. So you just have to go to blend and then look for that specific blend effect that can make your videos captivating and enticing. And for our seventh feature here in CapCut, or editing effect here in CapCut, that can make you think twice when it comes to using other tools, is this what we call text behind. So all you have to do is to add a video right here and then add a text. For example, my journey, my travel, everything is up to you. And you can edit the text here. You can also add a 3D effect. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, and then after that, what you're going to do is you need to export this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to place this text behind the person right here. So once you export this, then you can now delete and then add the original. and add the video that you have created earlier. And what you're going to do is you just have to simply tap the original video and then go to video, then cut out, auto cut out. So it will remove everything except the person. And you will see the amazing result right here. So this is what it looks like. And that's it. So I do really hope that you like this video. And if it does, then please do like and subscribe to our channel. This is save hours of editing using these 7 CapCut features. Thanks for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.